Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful, sunny, and kind of rainy Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. Today we're going to talk about one of the new services we have started offering here at C&S Corvettes to keep up with the trend in the Corvette hobby. We'll talk about that in just a second. Hello, my 71,000 plus YouTube viewers and the 37% of you who haven't subscribed yet. I just wanted to say thank you for all of your help with getting us more subscribers and actually clicking that button. As you know, our goal is to get to 100,000 by the end of the year, and you are the only one who can help me do that. So if you aren't subscribed, please do. And if you find value in what we do, please share our channel with other Corvette people you know. Thank you. So where we live here in South Florida, C8 Corvettes are literally everywhere. I see somewhere between 5 and 10 of them on my drive to and from work every day, each direction. They're everywhere, which is awesome for the Corvette hobby because it's putting the name Corvette out there and people are really enjoying and driving those cars, which is important. However, there are certain things about the C8, which if you have done any C8 research, you're probably aware of, maintenance-wise, that have to be done to adhere to GM's scheduled maintenance, which in turn keeps your warranty valid. If you do not do certain things at a correct time or at a prescribed mileage, GM can look at your warranty and go, no, not good. So, one of the services we've been offering, clearly we've been doing oil changes on these cars forever, but we actually are now offering the dual clutch transmission flush. Now, according to GM, that needs to be done at the 7,500 mile mark, and then at the 22,500 mile mark, and every 22,500 additional miles, this service has to be done. Unlike previous Corvettes, where it was basically a drain and fill, and put a fresh filter in, and put a new gasket around the pan, and bolt it all up, and in an hour and a half, you were done. It's great. Yeah, the dual clutch is a whole different animal. So in order to do the dual clutch flush, you need about 14 quarts of really expensive dual clutch transmission fluid. You also need this guy, which we bought brand new from GM. This is called a Multiple Diagnostic Interface 2, or MDI2. This guy goes between your car and our laptop. On that laptop is an entire GM software suite that allows us to do many, many things. One of the main ones, of course, being the dual clutch transmission flush. This is a 4 to 5 hour process. If you haven't had it done, or if you don't have a C8 and you're not aware, let me break it down for you a little bit. You get the car up in the air, clearly. You drain the fluid, clearly. But then you have to replace not one, but 2 filters. The filter at the back actually requires you to raise up the engine a little bit to be able to get to the bolts on the back side of the pan to drop that, replace that filter, and then you have a canister style inline filter, and all of that isn't too terribly difficult. What is difficult is making sure that your module and your laptop are putting the car through the flush procedure, which it does internally, guided by the GM software and using this computer module interface to basically tell each individual valve to open and shut in a specific sequence to make sure that all of the old fluid is out and all new fluid is cycled in. Imagine it if you've ever seen, like on a river where they have locks, you know, for the boats that the levels go up and down. Imagine they're treating all these little valves as locks to shuffle out the old fluid, bring in the new fluid so that you're truly starting fresh. Now, your car keeps track of all of this in its computer, and it knows whether it's been done and whether it's been done correctly. So having somebody just change the fluid in the filters is not going to fly if you have a problem with that transmission later on and you go to GM and you say, "Hey guys, my transmission's not so happy." And they go, "Okay, well, let's plug in and take a look at your scheduled DCT flush maintenance." And they go in and they don't see that that program's been run. Guess what happens to your warranty? It's gone. So be very aware of that. This is not something you want to play with the C8. If you have a C8, the transmission flush is something you need to take very seriously, and you need to make it not a, well, I'll get to it eventually. It needs to happen when it needs to happen. So many places who do the DCT flush, like us, are booked out quite a ways. So if you know you're coming up on a mile marker on your car that's going to be time for that flush, plan ahead. So if you're at 6,500 miles or you're at 21,000 miles, make your appointment to have the flush done then. That way, in a month and a half or 2 months or 3 months, when you get in the door to have the procedure done, you're still right around that little mark that they have in their computer to tell you, hey, this guy did everything he was supposed to do. And of course, when you get an invoice from somebody that this has been completed according to GM factory specs using GM factory equipment and software, it is notarized on there from us, say this was completed by such and such a day using this program on this date, so that they know that it was done precisely the way the factory mandates it to be. It was a very interesting experience to watch it be done for the first time, and far too long and involved for me to put it on video. I just wanted to kind of give you the basics of what's involved. But yeah, we're super excited about this. I don't think they're going to not have a dual clutch transmission in the C9 or the C10 or the C11. So this is a service that we're probably going to be offering for as long as I'm still alive. And we do a good job with it, and I'm very proud of it, and I'm proud of us, investing in the future. None of this stuff is inexpensive. And yeah, super excited. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you enjoyed some of the images that Tony was able to share with you while I was talking. And yeah, so any questions about the dual clutch transmission flush or anything like that, or regular maintenance on a C8, put them in the comments below, or if you have a direct question for me, you can always email me at lyle@corvettepartscenter.com. Other than that, I got a whole bunch more stuff to talk to you about later this week. I just wanted to put this little tidbit out there because it was all done and in the can. Thank you. Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful, kind of rainy Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to, damn it, I'm going to start that over again because I just dropped my $1,000 tool. I'm too old for this.